How to change your age on Discord. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your age on Discord. Well, basically, if you open up the Discord application, if you check in for settings, if you tap on profile here, you can see that there is no any option to change your age. You'll find various other options, but there is no any option to change your age. How you can do so, right? Now, in order to do so, you'll have to submit a request. What you can do is you can head into your browser, you can search in for Discord, submit a request, as I've done so here on the screen. Then tap on the very first link that says Discord, submit a request. Now once you tap on it, what you want to do is you want to tap on what can you help you with. Tap on that arrow there, and here you want to select the option. You can select the option that says appeals and age update request. Now once you do so, you want to type in your email address connected, affiliated to your account, and then how can we help it. You can see update my age information. You'll need phone number, you can type in, it's optional, and then your date of birth. Now if you're writing in on behalf of your team, please input the date of birth here. So you can see you want to enter in the subject that I want to change my age, and then description, and confirm that you have read. Now you want to add attachments. If you have your certificates of your date of birth and such, your national certificate or such date of birth certificate, you want to attach it. It's optional, but you should attach it. It will help you, and then you want to submit it, and Discord will get back to you through your mail, and you'll be able to change your age if they once they verify your information. So this way you can change your age on Discord. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.